Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Everyday, and in this video we are going to discuss about the component view. So view is the most fundamental component for building a UI. So it's not a complex component, it's just a container. So if you take the meaning of view, it's just a view. Like inside it we will be having multiple elements or UI components. View can be nested within each other as well, right? And whenever the view is rendered in Android, then the native component that is created out of it is the Android.view, and for iOS it's a UI view. So if you are a web designer or you have a web development experience, then view is simply similar to div, right? So I have my emulator started and my project is open here. So let's resize this, right? So if we go to our app.json, you can see all these buttons are within this view. So view is the basic component, so we cannot have a button within a button or text. So for example, let's say I want to split this, right? I want subscribe to Coding Everyday and hit the like button in another section. So what I can do is I can write view, not this, view, and I can like this and wrap this text within view. So you won't see any difference here, but if you apply a style to it, let's say I'll apply a style, it will be border, let's say 1, and border color, I want it to be red. Okay, let's do it as 5. Oh, I'm sorry, it's border width. Okay, why it's not yeah, so sometimes you just need to refresh it. So let me try with border only, if that works. Border, right? Just need to reload the app again. So border doesn't work. So there is some difference in styling that we will be discussing in the future videos. So the main thing was, so view is a container, and within this container I have my text. So I can nest this as well inside this, right? And again we need to reload it. Yeah, you see it's like this one. So view have different functions. Let's say in our app we have different sections of the UI. We might have a header, might have a footer, we have a product page or a product section. Within that we have product description, pricing. So for that some element we need on left, some element we need on right. So in that case we can use view, and with view we can use flex to separate our components into different sections. So in simple terms, view is just a container, that's it, right? So if you want more information on the view, you can go to this document and read it. If you want to just play around with it, you can go to React Native docs, and within this view you have this what do you say, we have this window where you can run your small program in this small emulator, and it will show you everything, right? So we have various methods for view as well. So we have multiple methods that we may need as per our usage. So I'm not going to discuss about it, right? So you see, like these are the accessibility rules for TalkBack or iOS, right? And we have different APIs for it, like for collapsible for Android, focusable for Android, right? It's slope. So we have multiple APIs that can be used on view, or we can just say that you have multiple attributes or props that can be passed into it. but that depends upon the usage. So we will not be discussing about this. So whenever we will be discussing about whenever we will be creating our UI or some basic app, based on that we will refer the document and pick up the functions that we need. So that's it for the small discussion about the view. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and press the bell icon to receive notification on the future videos. Thank you. Take care.